real experiment that changed everything was he then made a virus, we call it an AAV, and he could now deliver those genes into a living organism, which in our case is typically an old mouse. Actually, the first experiment was he actually caused the mouse to become blind. And then he put the virus into the eye, just straight in, turned on his 3 Yamanaka genes, OS and K, and then he looked 4 weeks later at what happened in that eye. And he found out that the optic nerve that was damaged started and for the most part grew back. And that never happens. Optic nerves don't grow back. If you go blind from damaging your eye, you're not going to see again. Same with your spinal cord, same with your brain damage. The central nervous system with nerves in your body does not grow back. It's a fact of biology. And here was Wancheng showing he was able to do that. So why is that relevant to aging? Because when you're very young, if you damage your optic nerve or even your spine or your brain, it can grow back. But we lose that ability as we get older. And here was Wancheng taking the eye back so young that it could regenerate and function. He then put it into a mouse that we gave glaucoma to, so pressure in the eye damages vision. And then he also did it to old mice that had just aged and were blind as well. And he started to cure blindness with his treatment.